Welcome back to AI Unlock with Bonnie.
Yeah.
It's the podcast that makes sense of the future of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, Bonnie.
And I'm Adam.
Hey, Adam.
Always excited to peek around the corner at what's next.
So, Adam, I want you to picture this. The year is 2027. A friend of yours, a complete beginner, wants to start using AI.
Okay.
They open their screen and they're just overwhelmed with hundreds of different tools. One for writing, one for images, another for research, another for making videos. It's total chaos.
Oh, I know that feeling. It's tool fatigue, and it's a real barrier.
Yeah.
You spend more time trying to figure out which AI to use than actually getting anything done.
Right.
It's like wanting to cook a gourmet meal and being told you have to go to 5 different specialty stores just for the ingredients.
Exactly. So today, we're tackling a big question.
Let's do it.
If a beginner in 2027 could only start with one AI tool to cut through all that noise, curious, what should it be?
It's a fantastic question, and I think we have an answer.
Oh,
But it's not just a tool. It's more like a digital teammate. The platform we're putting our money on is GenSpark AI.
GenSpark AI. Okay, so why that one? When most people hear AI, they think of a chatbot where you ask a question and get an answer.
Right.
What makes GenSpark so special?
That's the core difference. GenSpark isn't just a chatbot, it's an agent.
An agent?
Think of it less like a calculator and more like an accountant you can just hand your finances to.
Okay.
You don't just ask it a question, you give it a whole project.
A whole project? Give me an example. What does that look like in practice?
Okay, so instead of asking, what are some good marketing strategies, you could tell GenSpark, research the top 3 marketing strategies for a small coffee shop, write a 500-word blog post about them, create a 5-slide presentation with relevant images, and then draft a social media announcement.
Whoa, okay, that's a massive leap from a simple Q&A.
It is.
How on earth does it manage all those different steps without getting, confused?
This is the magic of agentic AI. GenSpark has what it calls a super agent.
Which acts as the project manager.
It manages the entire workflow for you from start to finish.
Ah, so it's the all-in-one platform we were dreaming of.
Exactly.
It's the grocery store that has all the ingredients in one place, plus a chef who knows how to put them together.
Yep, you don't have to jump between a research tool, a slide maker, and a text editor.
You nailed it. It's the Swiss Army knife of AI. And the most crucial part for a beginner in 2027, conspiracy, it's all no code.
Okay, you just describe what you want in plain English.
Really?
No programming and no complicated setups. You just tell it the final outcome you're looking for.
That really does sound like the perfect starting point.
It is.
It solves the too many tools problem and the this is too technical problem all at once.
Precisely. And it sets a beginner on the right path for where AI is headed. The future isn't about collecting 100 niche tools. It's about having smart agents that can use those tools for you.
Right.
Learning how to delegate to an AI, that is the real skill of the future.
So for our beginner friend in 2027, the advice is crystal clear. Skip the overwhelming App Store, start with GenSpark, and learn the art of delegation.
Exactly. Learn one system that unlocks the power of many.
Absolutely. You can start simple, maybe just using it for research. Then, as you get more confident, you can start giving it bigger and more ambitious projects.
Yeah.
A tool that grows with your ambition. A tool that grows with your ambition. I love that. Well, that's all the time we have for today on AI Unlock.
Already?
This has been, as always, an eye-opener.
Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. If you had an AI agent that could handle any multi-step project, what is the very first thing you would ask it to do?